Taylor.
Right, there we go.
Right. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Is it on?
Yeah.
We're filming.
Oh, Horrorclix, the lab brick opening. Ooh, it's gonna be some nostalgia in there.
Fully cardboard.
All the figures on the back of this box look really boring.
And quite deep in there. Oh. They're in. So there's a Pride Warrior. One of the ones I actually wanted from a set. Giant amoeba.
Hey.
It's actually quite a ridiculous way to pack them.
Take a look on amoeba. Oh, it's backwards.
Copper sponge.
Oh, they're quite cool then, actually. Got one rookie one of those. Subplots.
2 subplots. Carnage Bot is the one.
Oh, cool. I like Carnage Bot.
Which just doesn't want to come out. Alright, it's easier to open. A werewolf minion token.
Werewolf minion? Don't know anyway. Carnage Bot over?
Yeah, it's just the rookie one.
Oh, this thing's cool.
That was a job in there.
6 range, 2 targets. I don't think I've ever seen that in Horrorclix before. Something with decent range. Right, I'll do one. Oh, the zoom on this thing's really, really slow. Okay. Oh, I want that chick on the side.
It's a bit bad. Done backwards.
Oh well. Actually, I want all 3 of the figures on the side. It's a Core Commander. Can't remember the chick on the motorbike's name. And what's the name of the guy? Guy in black suit, like invulnerability, 60 power points.
Man in black.
I think that's it actually. Didn't take much to decipher, did it? Right, so
No imagination.
I think this is okay. Call it Irradiated Zombie?
How do you get one of that?
Yeah, we'll go bottom from now on.
Yeah.
Yep, Irradiated Zombie. It's a really cool sculpt, to be fair. Looks like a kind of dinosaur thing. Yeah, Velociraptor.
Velociraptor Jesus.
Never seen that thing before. The package, the cardboard parts of this really badly.
Yeah.
CSI Roswell.
So what a minion tokens were?
Minion tokens, you get subplots that turn victims into them.
Ah.
But you need to have like a theme team, I think.
So yeah. This card here.
There you go. So we have a pod zombie. I think I already have one of these. Yeah, it's experienced though, so I got my hand in it. And last Frothweiler that I definitely already have. But you know.
I'm not trading this Pride Warrior for a while. It's worthwhile.
Don't be game for that. And let's see what subplots and crap we have. Molotov acid cocktail and bolus infusion. So, not too bad, I suppose.
There's 2 contradictory things.
Here you go.
Pack 2 using the EVO opening. And we got a grad student victim.
Get back in there, you.
Unfortunate side effects. Experimental injection. Alright, so opening on the other side.
Another Carnage Bot.
Another Carnage Bot.
So now you just need a red one.
Need a red one. Oh, look, another one of those carp things.
I have that one. So we have 2. You have experienced and rookie call response. Experienced and rookie Carnage Bot.
Yay. Veteran archaeologist.
Actually looks cool.
This
Is the what's his name? Templar or whatever his name is in this stuff.
So look on the side.
Cool figure.
What is this? Is it just called Templar?
I think so, yeah.
Then it doesn't look it.
Oh, that's slim.
No. And this one's a big guy. Proto side.
Oh, Proto Cyborg is cool.
Probably the brick opening we've struggled with the most. Can't get this damn thing out. Right, there we go. It's Proto Cyborg, yeah. Rookie.
Yeah, that thing's awesome. Right, the next one, mate. Is an easier bottom method.
In theory.
Right, let's see what we got here. And it is a werewolfy thing. Werewolf Orderly. Sorry. Oh, we've got that chick, the dinner lady chick.
Dinner lady.
I'm thinking of the name. Right. Lab assistant, apparently.
That's totes.
Yeah, just looks like a dinner lady if you can.
Let's have some gruel.
The sculpt is kind of cool. The bucket part of me. 20 points. That's one thing I love about the game. There's plenty of like low point figures.
Like that Barney one that you want.
So look at this.
That's not Barney.
Ooh, vampire minion. Oh, Jigsaw! No, I wanted this.
Yep.
That is awesome.
So how many super rares do you get in this string? It would just be the two
I haven't got a clue.
Wow, that's a lot bigger than I thought it would.
Yeah. Still not a giant though.
Like this giant amoeba.
And evil cosmonaut. So to catch her up, so far we've got 3 sets of carnage. It's all 3 different carnage bots. Pod Mother, Giant Amoeba.
All these.
I forgot her name. 3 core response units. Proto Cyborg,
Attendant,
and Archaeologist. And then some minions and stuff. And I've got Jigsaw, Rothweiler, Velociraptor, Irradiate Zombie, Pod Zombie, Lab Assistant, Evil Cosmonaut, Werewolf Orderly, and these crappy subplots I'll probably never need. Alright. Is my booster now?
Mm-hmm.
In fact, do you want to just like finish yours and then I'll do mine?
Yeah, why not?
Because otherwise camera change will be quite awkward.
Fair enough. Right, 4th of my boosters.
Zoomed in, is it? Ah, there we go.
Psychiatrist victim.
Looks like Buff Bagwell. From here it does anyway.
Ardat zombie.
It's quite hard that.
Brain eater.
I've actually used them in quite a few games, to be honest.
Hmm?
It's just cheap.
Alright, veteran Velociraptor.
Oh.
Bringing in the Velociraptor. And another veteran of this guy. Well, a veteran of this guy. Subplots were Immobilizing Collar and Temporal Disruptor. Next we have...
I don't like how Pod Mother's giving me the eye. It's kind of scary.
She wants the Ben. Oh, what? This is all botched up.
Oh god.
Right, so we've got
Another Brain Eater.
a veteran Asylum Spirit.
I don't get why Brain Eaters have like range. I don't know, this is weird.
And I think I cut myself.
Cutting yourself is never the answer, Tom.
It's just so hard. Rookie Archaeologist.
Another Archaeologist. Not as bent over as your veteran one.
And Evil Cosmonaut.
Ah.
No victim.
Scrubby between your cards.
Nope, no victim.
No victim.
Well, that's a bit
I'm slim.
crappy. I'm stuck in.
And your last booster.
Regression, defibrillator.
Our regression's the one I used on Bloody Impaler.
And finally,
Turned into a chick.
a broken one. We've got an occultist minion.
Oh, that's great.
Oh no, it's just
Yeah, I used regression. Oh,
veteran.
Frostwild. Oh, that thing is cool.
A scrubber who's coming off his base. Oh, he's getting off his base. Experienced.
Yeah, I used a regression plot twist on when Vlad the Impaler died. The game I had the other day. Turned into a chick.
He turned into a chip.
Turned into a female minion.
And the last one's a candy striper, which is rookie. No, it can't get up. Rookie box. There we go.
Okay, so overall we got a lot of repetition there. 3 Carnage bots.
Yeah. And first.
3 Chorus bots, guys.
Matrix of Raw.
2 Proto Cyborgs. But all in all, Pod Mother and Giant Amoeba can't really complain.
Aye.
That's not too bad. Well,
Yep, we're on.
alright, so it's my 3rd booster. I'm just going to go from the top this time because it's 6 and 2 3s really, isn't it?
Pretty much.
I'm really hoping for Core Commander guy on the side. You just look really awesome.
Is he the unique? Hello.
I think he's a unique, yeah. Oh god.
There's a struggle there.
This one's taped down good. Where are my keys?
It's Horrorclix, so there might be a bondage slave in there.
Didn't you try the one?
Be quicker.
You just said it's 6 and 2 3s and you can't find your
That's
key.
true. Right, bottom then. Oh god. Another correspondence. So that's not marvellous. Asylum Spirit. It looks quite cool.
No, that one's not material.
Plot Twist Digital Camera. And Laptop. And got Victim here. Zombie Minion, which is good because it pulled the zombie subplot early. Whatever that. I'm not going to look at those yet. Oh, this is a familiar face. Motor and Ego. That guy's awesome. So I'm quite fond of this one. Reptosapien.
Reptosapien.
And that's it. So, yeah. Corresponds, Asylum Spirit, Motor and Ego. Sapien. Booster number 4. Bung it open from the bottom so we don't get stuck with tape again. Right.
Alright, here we go.
Oh. Oh my god, the cards are bent again. Oh, another slasher minion. Which is alright because I needed more of those. Werewolf Orderly.
Same rarity as the one you pulled before?
Yeah. Oh,
Is that another werewolf orderly? Can that happen?
another lab assistant.
Oh, well.
Better in the start.
Yeah.
She's holding a bucket a bit higher up than the last one was. Ooh, this guy looks cool. Lab Gorilla.
Lab gorilla. If I remember correctly, you can only slay female victims. Or male victims.
It's a bit lame. And Morgue Attendant. Nice and grim. And plot twists are bent as hell. Another Molotov acid and another bolus infusion.
It's exactly the same as your first
And
back.
the cards are stuck together as well.
Yeah, some of them were.
Well, that's great.
Someone loved making these.
Yeah, it's a man killer. Slayer male, victim to transform.
Yeah.
So you can still blood with females, just
Gets extra with males.
gets extra with males, yeah. Must be a gay gorilla. Must be a gorilla that's big on musical theatre. Zombie patient. Not too bad.
Next, zombie impatient.
Zombie outpatient. Another lab coat. And
Really?
another digital camera. Do you just get the same two all the time?
Doesn't look it.
One
Well, I
Ben,
don't know.
one of them isn't. Lab assistant. And this looks like another pod zombie. Yep. Same one I have at home. And ooh!
Ooh, what'd you pull? What'd you pull?
It's not good, but it's something I wanted.
Well, it sounds fun. By God.
Man in Black.
Hey, Man in Black.
Yeah.
Not unique, but
Awesome nonetheless. And Candy Stripper. Again.
Striper. Oops, Striper.
Either way. Come here.
Horrorclix are a lot easier.
Yeah. And last of all, we have
Hopefully a super. Well, unique.
hopefully unique, yeah.
And it would be like 4 per brick.
Hopefully it's a unique that isn't Migo, because I just read Migo on the side and I've already got one. It looks like...
If you pull Agony, I wouldn't mind trading for that, like.
Take a look.
Well,
Oh god, he's fallen out of his little packet. But anyway. Hard hat zombie.
that zombie?
This is probably the last box of Horrorclix we will open for quite a while.
Probably.
Unless we just buy another brick out.
Unless we just buy random boosters.
Yeah, could do. Right, we've got subplot deputization and subplot mind slaves. Oh, no way!
What?
Migo.
Oh, you pulled the Migo.
You aren't for real. That is why you should never look at the cards first.
All that Amigo.
Yeah, I want to trade this Migo. I can't believe that just happened. That's so predictable.
It soars.
Oh,
Well,
veteran scrubber.
is he still on his base?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's yellow. What are the chances of seeing something on the side of a box thinking, I don't want to pull that, and then pulling it? It's just... look at that!
Mangled and Gammy.
Oops. Cultist Minion. But yeah, there's... I can't believe that. That happens far too often.
More mangled.
Great. Quality control.
Yeah.
And here he is.
Or she.
Mangled and gammy Migo. Look at that. He's like bent. Although his head wound looks a lot cleaner than mine does.
I missed that completely.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
He's cool, but you know, he's unique and niche. Oh, and the last one is another. Oops. Another evil cosmonaut. So all in all, both pulled 2 uniques.
Mm-hmm.
Pulled a crap one, to be fair.
I pulled the one I wanted.
But
Whoops.
yeah.
Well, actually, we both pulled the one we
Yeah.
mainly wanted.
Yeah.
So that was good.
Glad to finally have Jigsaw. Alright, so to summarise, that was alright.
Yeah, it was alright.
Fine with that.
Yeah. Peace out.